everybody, this is Phil again. I'm the owner of One Night Strands Hair Studio. Thanks for checking in with me. You know, I got a topic that kind of comes close to my heart that I like to share with you. And the topic is weak to strong. I'll tell you a little bit about my journey. When I first started out of beauty school and I wanted to go out on my own, I didn't know what kind of direction I should take. So I started to go, and back in the day when I got out of school, I had to go and work under a master hair designer. And what I learned was that you're not going to know everything, and you're not going to be perfect, because perfection doesn't exist. And what I had to do was, I used to get frustrated because I didn't know a lot about this area, and I didn't know a lot about that area, and I didn't know really some things I didn't know that I didn't know that I didn't know. And what I said to myself, I'm going to have to help in this industry. You're going to have to be successful, I think, and I feel, is that you've got to go out and you're going to have to surround yourself around people that are stronger at things that you are not, and then they can help you in that area. Like, for one, I tell people all the time, I'm not high tech, I'm not low tech, I'm no tech. And even just messing with my cell phone, it's a headache for me at times. And so when I want to do these videos, I was saying to myself, how can I get help? So I found two of my personal assistants that were excellent in working with texting my clients, doing, working on the computer, putting stuff on Facebook, because I was not that strong at that piece of the puzzle. And so in that area was taken care of, and it kind of helped me move on in the industry. Then another thing I was weak at was business. I'm not a business person, I'm a hair designer. So I had to seek out and find someone that was really, really excellent in business. And then they educated me, and I used them for support. You're going to have to go out and build relationships with people instead of thinking that it's just all about you and trying to be a rock star. You need to go out, find people that are strong at things that you're weak at, and then once you start putting them pieces together, you're actually very, very strong. I'm successful because of the people that works with me. That's why I'm successful. Another thing too is that don't feel bad about yourself and put yourself down because you don't know a certain area. That's just human. Everybody don't know everything. So go out, talk to people, try to find people in the industry that have survived in the industry. I've been doing hair over 30 years. I have a lot of experience to share with people. When I started out, I tried to seek out people that stayed in the, if I ran into a person, the first question I asked them if they was in this industry is, how long you been in it? Oh, 20, 25 years. Oh Lord, I'm lucky I ran into you. And I was bold enough to ask questions because they got 25-year head start on me. They can lead me and stop me from wasting time by making stupid mistakes, and also too to be able to help guide me in different areas that I want to do. They know because they got 25 years of experience. And I learned to just shut up, listen, and learn. You got to listen to people. You don't know everything. So just this topic is just surrounding yourself around people that can help you. And like I said, just like me, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.